Hi. 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 Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's BB cream. Good morning, everybody! Welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan. My name is Rose, and today I'm going to show you guys what I am eating in a day as a vegan. Not only that, but I'm also going to be showing you guys my skincare and makeup routine using the brand 100% Pure, who are very kindly sponsoring this video. Hello everyone. Okay, so this is the no makeup face. I get a lot of questions on how I do my skincare, my makeup, my skincare routine, my makeup routine. So I thought, hi, I'll be a beauty guru for a day. Okay. And I'm so excited to be collaborating today with 100% Pure, which I believe are now my new favorite skincare and makeup brand. Bear with me while I obsess. First of all, they are 100% cruelty free. They are also 100% vegetarian brand, and they are transitioning into a 100%, I keep saying 100%, but you know, they're transitioning into a 100% vegan product line, which I am so excited about. Most of their products are already vegan from what it looks like. I was looking through their website. They use so many good ingredients in their products, guys. I mean, we're talking quality ingredients, no chemicals, non-toxic ingredients, which makes me so happy. Usually when I wake up in the morning, I don't cleanse my face using a cleanser. I just wash my face with water. After I wash my face with water, I use a toner, and I have been absolutely loving this toner. This is the fermented rice water toner from 100% Pure. This just feels super nice on the skin. One pump goes a long way, and it feels super hydrating, just super nourishing on my skin. It feels like a spa on my face. I don't know how to describe it. It smells like a spa. I use this at night and in the morning, so here we go. Second thing that I use is some eye cream. So you guys know I am not, you know, a teenager no more. I got to use some eye cream. This one is the 100% Pure coffee bean caffeine eye cream. So this is supposed to help with your dark circles and your puffiness. Now, fortunately, I don't have like the worst dark circles in the world. Lucky for me, okay. I mean, I do have some, you know. And then this next product that I use to moisturize my skin, I'm legit obsessed with. This is the Hydra Drench Cream. You can use this morning and night. It says water drenching cream intensely hydrates thirsty skin for a healthier, water plumped complexion. I use this at night, and when I wake up in the morning, it literally feels like my skin has been hydrated. It still feels moist when I wake up in the morning, even though I used it at night. Where I live is very dry. When I use this though, it feels like I woke up in like a tropical place, like it would feel in Mexico. One more thing I want to show you guys, this is something I use at nighttime. So after I use the toner, I actually put on some of this multivitamin serum, and this just has like a bunch of vitamins that are really, really good for your skin. So getting a lot in your tiny little bottle. I was gonna say like my just my luck, I was just thinking to myself like a few days ago, I think it was like last week, I was thinking to myself, oh my god, my skin looks perfect. Okay, seriously, I was like looking at myself, just, you know, being like so beautiful. I didn't have any breakouts. It was so clear, and of course I should have knocked on wood, because the next day of course I get some hormonal breakouts. I'm pretty sure it's hormonal because it's all like concentrated in the chin region, but it's no big deal. It's probably gonna go away in a few days. Also, make sure to hydrate yourself. Oh, another thing I've been using, I wanna show you guys, is their body cream or body butter. This one smells citrusy and delicious. It smells fresh, you know? And I just put this all over my body. Another body cream that I've been using is this rose body cream, you guys. I don't know if it's because my name is Rose, but I am obsessed with the scent of rose. Do I sound so obsessed with myself? I am. I basically use these two interchangeably. Okay, so I was gonna put on makeup first, but I think I need to eat. So originally the plan was for me to eat extremely clean the entire day. I wanted to do like a full-on super clean eating for an entire day episode, and then I realized I'm going out for dinner tonight. I'm going out for dinner. It's not like the worst thing in the world, but going out definitely isn't going to like optimize the food that I'm eating. But until then, I'm going to try to eat as clean and as healthy as possible. For breakfast, I had a smoothie. Of course, what else is new? I want it to be super nutrient dense, so I added tons of spinach, and I added also lots of other nutrients. I had these flax seeds, I also added some hemp seeds, I had banana, some pineapple, frozen spinach, and some protein powder, and a little bit of almond milk and water. So this was like really, really nutrient dense. Guys, now let's put on my face. Lately, I haven't really been using any foundation. I have these three right here. First thing I'll show you is the sunscreen. So this is what I would wear if I wasn't wearing anything on my face at all and I would just want to be going au naturel. So it has a lot of hydrating properties as well as SPF, and it absorbs very quickly. You know what? Let me just show you. I put it on and it just automatically just... Let's just put things on my face. A small amount goes a long way. It absorbs so quickly into my skin, like it's already absorbed. That's all. So if I just want to go barefaced, I just put this on. But on some days when I want to wear a little bit more, I actually put on either a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream. These two are pretty much my substitutes for foundation. I don't need to wear foundation because these two do a very good job at making my skin look flawless. Okay. So usually I would wear one or the other. I wouldn't wear both, but I'm just going to show you just for the sake of this video. So I've got both the 100% pure Bamboo Blur Tinted Moisturizer, and I also have the 100% pure BB cream. This one has an SPF 15. So if I were to wear the BB cream, I normally wouldn't have to wear the sunscreen. First, I'm going to put on a little bit of tinted moisturizer. This tinted moisturizer is literally the best tinted moisturizer I've ever used. Every other tinted moisturizer, literally I'm like, why is there even a tint? Because it is doing nothing for my face. I've never used a tinted moisturizer that I actually felt like I could substitute for foundation. Little goes a very long way, as usual. This is not only going to give you coverage, but also going to do some good things to your skin. Going to moisturize your skin. I don't even use concealer really that much anymore because, well, my skin's been really good. Except for this chin breakout, but... So that, my friends, is the tinted moisturizer on my face. I can literally just go out like this. Like, I don't even mind. This is definitely a must. A must. Normally, I would just wear that, or I would wear this. I don't usually put this on top of this, but I just wanted to show you guys the greatness of the BB cream as well. First of all, it has really good buildable coverage. Second of all, it has such a nice glow. So anytime I want like a really glowy complexion, this is it. Okay, so I wore this BB cream in one of my videos. I can't remember which one, but everyone was asking me like, oh my god, your skin looks glowing. I'm like, girl, maybe she's born with it, maybe it's BB cream, you know. Now you can put this on with your fingers, which I do a lot. I just kind of pat with my fingers. Do you see the sheen? Oh my gosh. What I love about this is that it doesn't have like the cakiness a foundation, but it still gives you the coverage. Can we take a moment? Hi. 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 Do you see my skin? Another really, really cool thing about this brand is that they actually have fruit pigmented makeup. So we're putting fruit on our face, guys. How vegan could I possibly get? Sometimes I go without any powder, but I'm going to put on a little bit of powder today. I probably have a long day ahead of me, so I probably want to, you know, seal the deal, you know. So we're gonna use the 100% pure Bamboo Blur powder. Literally, it has one ingredient. One ingredient, bamboo silica. This is legit. We're just gonna put on a little bit. Next thing I'm gonna use is this Better Naked palette, pigmented from antioxidant-rich fruits, vegetables, tea, and other skin beneficial plants. So this one has some cheek colors and also some eyeshadows. We've got a highlighter here, a blush, and then some eyeshadows. So I'm gonna go in with the blush. Oh, so nice. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the highlighter. You really don't need a lot, you just need a tiny amount. Next, I'm gonna go in with some eyeshadow. I'm gonna do this dark one. I don't really have like a deep crease because I'm Asian. So I like to put usually dark colors like on my lid and then just blur it out. That's usually how I do my makeup, but you know, we all have different eyes. Oh, look at that, it's so beautiful. That's fruit and vegetable on my lid. I'm no beauty guru, guys, if you haven't guessed. Let's have a little fun. Let's use that one. Just use a tiny bit of that just to like blur it out. Then I'm just gonna use that last color here because I just want to use like everything. And then I'm gonna put on that highlight color. Just put it right underneath my brow bone. I'm no booty guru. Next thing I'm gonna do is curl my lashes. And I'm gonna put on this mascara, which is Maracuya Oil Mascara, volumizing colored from black tea leaves. It actually smells really nice, and usually mascaras, you have that like mascara smell, you know? And it actually like does something for my lashes, which is very rare. I have a really tough time finding mascaras that work for my very Asian lashes that are tiny, stubby, and they droop down. Like they legit will droop down. And do you see any droopage? I'm also gonna put on some mascara on the bottom lashes, and please don't judge my mascara face. So my last step for the eye, sometimes I'll do this before my mascara, sometimes I'll do this after, but I'm gonna put on some eyeliner. So the one I am using is 100% pure, their liquid eyeliner. This is, I think, also colored with black tea. The reason why I'm doing this last is because I'm just gonna put a small wing. I'm not even gonna really go on the lid. And I really like the applicator on this because it's like pretty firm, so I have a lot of control. That's all I do. That's all I'm gonna do for my eyeliner today. And there you have it, guys. Let's go to better lighting. It's kind of gloomy out today. Ooh, that's bright. Okay. What do y'all think? I don't really know how to pose like a beauty guru. So that's kind of my makeup routine. As you can see, make sure you check out 100% Pure. The links to all the products I'm using will be listed down below, so definitely check them out and show them some love. And I know that they're not like the cheapest products, but I genuinely think that it's because they use really quality ingredients and these are quality products. So it's definitely worth investing a bit more and also support a company that is cruelty-free and on the way to fully becoming a vegan brand. So yeah, that's my face. Now I'm gonna make some lunch. So I'm cooking rice and I'm going to peel some sweet potatoes. Hey, you're on my mind, you know. Hey, you're on my mind, you know. Oh my gosh, guys, so this is my lunch. Does not look so good. This is so nutrient dense. We've got brown rice on the bottom, tomato just for extra nutrients, sauteed broccoli and baby bok choy. We have some air fried sweet potatoes. I did add a tiny bit of oil just to make it brown a little bit better. And then we've got that delicious tahini sauce. And then I have an avocado and I topped it with sesame seeds. Oh my god, I really need to do this more often because this looks so delicious. I'm actually so excited to eat this. That sauce is so good. I think the only thing I would add to this is like tofu or beans. So good. I always make extra food so that I can just store it and eat it later, so then I don't have to go through that entire process again. I should have made probably a little bit more vegetables, but it's all good. You guys, that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this what I ate in a day video along with my skincare and makeup routine. If you guys did enjoy this video, of course, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I just want to say thank you to 100% Pure for sponsoring this video. I really genuinely love their products and I think this is a great company, so I'm so happy to be working with them. Don't forget to check out the links down below if you are interested in any of the products mentioned in this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!